My dear students, today we are going to start part 2 of chapter 13, that is articles. Student, we have already learned what are articles and where they are used in part 1. Now in part 2 we will discuss the book's exercise related to articles. Students, articles are of three types: A, N and D are the articles. These articles are the most common words which we use in English language and they are placed before a noun. Articles are of two types. One is indefinite articles and another one is definite articles. Indefinite articles, that there are indefinite article a and an, and definite article the. Now students, we will come to the book exercise of. So look at the following picture: a book, a table, a board, a boy, a teacher, a chair. The word book, table, board, boy, teacher and chair are nouns. All of them are singular in number. They begins with a consonant sound and we use a before each of them. Example: a school, a bag, a toy. We use a before common nouns which are singular in number and begins with a consonant sound. So students, before book, table, board, boy, teacher and chair, we used a. Why we used a? Because they are singular as well as they are noun, and before singular noun we use a, as well as they are starting, the first word of these words are starting with a consonant sound, so we use a before them. They are 26 alphabets, you all know that, out of which 5 alphabets are vowels and rest of them are consonants, as 5 alphabets which are vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Remember, while using a and an, we should understand the difference between vowel sound and consonant sound. Vowel sounds are a as in apple, E as in egg, I as in ink, O as in orange, U as in umbrella, and some consonant sounds are B as in bat and D as in duck, and so on. So students, these are the vowel sounds as well as the consonant sounds. Now students, an article. This is an article. Now look at the following picture. Here's a picture of an ant. But before ant, why we used an? We used an before because the word ant, first letter that is A, make the sound of what? Vowel. So a word which starts with a vowel or make the sounds of vowel, we use an before them. As well as an elephant, E also makes the sound of vowel, so we use an before elephant. As well as same in an, as, an, ox and so on. The words elephant, ant, as and ox are noun. They are singular but all of them begin with a vowel sound, so we use an before them, all of them. Some examples are an octopus, an apple, and orange. We use an before common nouns which are singular or one and begins with a vowel sound. So students, we use an the place where there is a noun and it is placed before noun, and it is placed in that word. Before that word, the word which starting words make the sound of vowel, as well as which are 1 in number. Now students, remember, we says an honest man because honest begins with the vowel sound O, as in orange. So we put an before honest. The letter H is silent in the word honest. We say a utensil because utensils begins with the consonant sound U, so we put a before the word utensil. Some more examples are a useful animal, a used car. We say a 1 rupee coin because 1 begins with a consonant sound. were. So we put a before 1 rupee. Some examples are a 100 rupee note, a one-eyed monster. So student, हम एन कहाँ यूज करते हैं? हम एन को नाउन के पहले यूज करते हैं, और नाउन के पहले भी उस वर्ड पे यूज करते हैं जो सिंगुलर हो, एज वेल एज जो वर्ड है उसका स्टार्टिंग जो वर्ड है वो किसका साउंड करेगा? वॉवल का साउंड करेगा। एज वेल एज हम अ कहाँ यूज करते हैं? वी यूज अ एट द प्लेस वेयर, जहाँ पर क्या जो वर्ड है वो स्टार्ट करेगा विद द कॉन्सोनेंट एज वेल एज मेक द साउंड ऑफ कॉन्सोनेंट, एज वेल एज it is singular in number and are the common nouns. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Students, here we have to put a or an in the giving space. I have an uncle who is an artist. Students, why we have used an here? हमने यहाँ एन इसलिए यूज किया है बिकॉज द वर्ड जो अंकल है दैट स्टार्ट्स विद अ यू एंड इट्स मेक्स अ साउंड ऑफ वॉवल, एज वेल एज आर्टिस्ट। आर्टिस्ट द फर्स्ट वर्ड्स मेक द साउंड ऑफ वॉवल, और इसी कारण वी यूज्ड एन हियर। नाउ सेकंड, अ लायन एंड अ माउस वर गुड फ्रेंड्स। दैट मीन्स लायन इज अ वर्ड which start L and L make the sound of consonant. So here we used a. And a mouse. Mouse is a word which starts with M and M makes the sound of consonant. M किसका sound करता है? Consonant का. So consonant का sound करेगा तो हम लोग क्या लगाएंगे? A. The bee is dash hard working insect. We use a hard working insect. Why? Because hard makes the sound of consonant. जो हार्ड वर्ड है उसके आगे का जो एच है वह किसका साउंड करेगा? कॉन्सोनेंट का. सो वी यूज अ. नाउ स्टूडेंट 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you have to do by your own. Put a or an before the following nouns. We have to put a or an before the following nouns. So first is an interesting story. So why we have put an before the interesting story? Because interesting is a word. यहाँ पर जो interesting जो word है उसका जो I word है वो सबसे पहले किसका साउंड कर रहा है? वॉवल का. और हमें पता है कि जहाँ पर वॉवल का साउंड करता है कोई भी वर्ड का जो फर्स्ट वर्ड है, so we used an. Second, a pair of shoes. Students, why we have used a pair of shoes? So students, before the word pair we used what? A. Because pair, the word P makes a sound of P, or P is a consonant sound, so we use a. Third one, an easy question. Here easy is a word. जो easy word है, easy word का जो E word है, it makes a sound of vowel, so we use an easy question. 4. An Indian dress. Here we use an before the Indian dress because Indian का जो I word है it makes the sound of vowel, so we used an. Now student 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you have to do by your own. Now students, we will come to the definite articles, that is articles the. We are using a or an when we talk of any person or thing. When we talk of a particular person or thing, we use the. Now students, a और an हम लोग वहाँ यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी एनी एक पर्सन की बात करते हैं. बट मतलब दैट मीन्स वी टॉक अबाउट वन पर्सन, बट इट इज नॉट पर्टिकुलर. बट जब हम द प्लेस करते हैं बिफोर द नाउन, then we are talking about only a particular person. उस टाइम पर हम सिर्फ एक particular thing या person की ही बात करेंगे. So we can see the examples. Give me a book. Here give me a book. Any book. So give me the book. That means वही book. That means the person is talking about that particular book. Give me the book you are reading. That particular book. And give me a book, that means any book. We are not giving that we want that book only. We are saying give me any book. But in second example, that is the book you are reading, means we are talking about a particular book, that we want that only that book. Now second, open a box. Here we don't know which box we are talking about, but in second, the box behind you. Open the box behind you. So here we are talking about a particular box that that you have to open the box which is behind you, that particular box. Remember, a or an is used for any person or thing. The is used for particular person or thing. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. So students, here we have to fill the blanks with a, an or the. First, the stories written by Tagore are very interesting. So student, here we have put the because this here we are talking about a particular story which was written by Tagore, and we use the where we are talking about particular thing or person. Second, I wrote a story. Here we use story. Before story we have used a because story is a word where s sounds for consonants. So before story we have used a. Third, an ostrich is in the cage. Here ostrich word, the o make the sound of vowel. So before ostrich we use an. Student 4 and 5 you have to do by your own. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. But when we speak it for again, then we use the. Example first, my father gave me a book. The book was very interesting. Here, when we are talking about the book first time, we use a. But when we talking about the same book second time, we use the. Second, I found a purse. The purse was lying under a table. So here we have used a before purse first because at the first time we are talking about purse. So we use a and p makes the sound of per, that is consonant. But second time we use the before purse because here we are again talking about the same purse. So we have used the before the purse. And before table we use a because t makes the sound of consonant. Remember, an or a is used when we speaking of something for the first time. The is used when we are speaking of the same thing in the following sentence. So a or an we used when we are talking about some person or thing first time, but the we used when we are talking about the same person for the second time. Fill in the blanks with a or an or the. So first, a farmer brought a donkey from the village. He found the donkey to be a useful animal. Student, here before farmer we use a because f makes the sound of consonant, and here we use a before donkey because d makes the sound of what? Consonant. As well as here before donkey we use the because we are talking about the same donkey second time. So we have used the. And here before useful animal we use a because u makes the sound of consonants. So we have used a before than. Now students, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to do by your own. Just try them. We also use the with the following as the stars, the moon, the earth, the sun, the sky. With the titles of the book, the Gita, the Ramayana. With the names of well-known buildings, the Taj Mahal, the India Gate. with the names of river, the Ganges, the Yamuna. With the direction, the east, the south. But we do not use the before particular name of person or place, as Jaya is my friend. This is the right sentence. The Jaya is my friend. This is the wrong sentence because we do not use the before particular name of person or places. As well as Agra is a big city. This is the right sentence. The Agra is big city. Is a big city. It is the wrong sentence because before city, particular city, we do not use the, or particular before particular name of a person, we do not use the. Put the wherever you think it is needed and rewrite the sentence. Here, students, we have to put the before the noun in the sentence wherever it's needed according to our need. So first, sun rises in east. Student, the sun rises in the east. Why we have used the before sun and before east? Because east is a direction and before direction we use the, as well as sun. Sun is a unique thing and it is only particular thing which are present in the universe. So we use the before sun. We could see stars shining in sky. We could see the stars shining in the sky. Here also we have used the before star and sky because you all know that before stars, before sky, the star, the moon, the sky, the sun, as well as anything that is particular present in all over, we use the at, as well as these are the unique things. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal because it is only one thing which was present all over India, as well as it is the unique thing as well as famous. So we use the before Taj Mahal. Student, now 3 and 5 you have to try by your own. Let's revise. Article is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. And article an is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Article the is used for particular person and thing. Example, the moon, the star, names of books, well-known buildings and names of river. Here, as you have seen, Taj Mahal is the well-known building, so that's why we have used the before Taj Mahal. So students, now the book exercise of this chapter is finished. Thanks for watching this video, and if there is any query or doubt, you can ask me anytime.